Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to cut and trim clips in Filmora step by step. So first we have imported the videos here. Then we created proxy files to make it easier for us to edit. Then we added it here. Okay, so now we can trim a clip from the start or end. Like the easier option is like you just do this. See, it's been trimmed. You can do the same from here too. See, this is super easy to trim, and then you can also cut a clip using the playhead. Like this is the scissor button. Let's select you want to cut it here. You can cut this option. You just click here and it's cut. You can just delete this part if you want. And let's say even this is where you don't want this part. You cut it and then you delete it. Sometimes there will be gap. You can just right click here and click delete those gaps. You can also use the keyboard, like if it's here, let's select, you press Control and B and you split it. You can just put it somewhere else. So it is super easy, right? You just make sure that after deleting a section, you may have see a gap in the timeline. Just simply click and drag the clips together to close the space, or you can also delete the gap. And after this, you can just like come here and play it.